If you need powered access platforms for safe and easy access on your project, then look no further than Compass Access Ltd. As well as supplying access platforms, our expert engineers are able to inspect, service, repair and refurbish your equipment in the shortest time frame possible. We specialise in the repair and refurbishment of electric scissor lifts, powered access platforms, telescopic booms and articulated booms. We are able to offer a comprehensive range of quality machinery from several of the leading manufacturers to ensure you have the best access platforms for your exact needs. If you're looking to purchase or hire access platforms, you can trust our qualified team of engineers to advise you on the right platform for you. Our engineers also offer full after-sales service and warranty packages on all equipment. If you already own access equipment and are looking for qualified engineers that can offer servicing, repairs and maintenance, we work with all makes and models. We can offer repair and maintenance services on-site and in the workshop. We also have extensive experience in troubleshooting for boom lifts, electric scissor lifts and man lifts. We're based in Oxford and offer our services to our customers nationwide. Compass Access Ltd. For all your powered access platform needs. Give us a call today.